He's going to Oregon to be a bird dog. All right, just let it run. Good boy, Daddy, good boy. Good boy, Panzer. This is his first intro to birds. And he's doing great. Good boy, good boy. Herd it back this way, Pans. He's on it. Good boy, Panzer! All right, so Paul, hey, Kyler, hold on to Panzer. Hold on to Panzer. I'm going to have you come hide it up here. All right, come up here, Paul. Tell him, look. And then we're going to watch his nose work. Panzer, look. Okay, put it down. Yep, let him go. Okay, so now we're going to let him work that out. Oh, I thought I saw his head turn. Whoa, there we go. Look at that. First time on a bird, and he's got it. Get it, Pans. Get it, Panzer. That boy. Good dog. Woohoo. We'll work on pointing later. All we care about now is that he wants to use his nose and that he wants that bird. That boy. Good dog. Woohoo. You're going to take it on a walk by its butt. Yeah. That's good. Don't touch him. Let him do it. I want to see him pick it up. Now walk away. Let's go this way and see if he brings it. Come on, Pans. Panzer, bring that bird. Come on, Dada boy. What a good dog. Oh, it's so heavy. He's like 5 pounds. Dada boy, good dog. Walk this way. Come on, Panzer. Let's go. Dada boy. Atta boy! Nice job! Woohoo! Woohoo! All right, that's good.